Hey family, hey friend, where y'all been, girl? I'm back again on y'all screen with another quick video. So this is real simple now. I'm gonna take y'all back some time now. My granddaddy used to make crackling cornbread because that's who I grew up with. That's who raised me, my grandparents. So he used to make crackling cornbread and I never liked it. So I said, I can make it on my own. I like the fact that it has the crunch in it, but I don't like the crackling part because it's pig skin, and I'm gonna switch it up and use bacon. Yes, bacon tastes good and everything. So if you've never had crackling cornbread before, you're gonna like this video. And if you have had it before, you're gonna like this video too. So let's get right into it, okay? So we're gonna take about 2 cups of cornmeal. If you want to do a little bit more than 2 cups, you can do that. I'm gonna do 2.5. 2.5 cups of cornmeal, right? I'm gonna take me 2 eggs, 2 medium, 2 large, 2 jumbo size, whatever size you choose. And I got my cast iron skillet already heated up, and I got this the fat from the bacon that I use. I'm gonna put that in now too. This is what's gonna make the cornbread now. Don't knock it till you try. I got my bacon pieces over here, my real crunchy bacon pieces that I already cooked up. I'm gonna dump that right on in there with that. And then I'm gonna take me some buttermilk. Take me some buttermilk. Probably about a cup and a half. Get my whisk. Whisk this right on up. If you want to use regular milk, you can use regular milk. If you want to use a little bit of heavy cream, you can use some heavy cream. I don't recommend putting sugar in it though. You know how most people make cornbread, which I do as well. Put a little sugar in it, but I don't suggest putting sugar in this one. Not unless you just want to. But you can also make this in a way where you can put jalapenos, cheese, whatever you want to put in it. But I'm just going to make mine simple. A simple, easy cornbread. And I call this my crackling cornbread. Let me grab my cast iron skillet from over here. And it is hot. Got a little extra butter in there. I'm going to just toss that on in there real quick like that, like so. And my skillet is kind of hot. Let me mix my butter up in here since I just poured that in here. Put a little bit that. So I've used about 2 cups of buttermilk so far. Just keep mixing to your little heart desire. You want it loose, but not too loose, and you don't want it too thick either. Just want it pourable. Just like that. And my cast iron skillet is hot. I already have my oven preheating on 350 because I got a few other things in there. This is going to be some really good cornbread, y'all. And I'm going to put this baby in the oven for about 35 or 40 minutes or so. I don't know why I don't think that's hot. I'll let y'all see when it come out the oven. My cornbread is done, y'all. Woo! Take it over here. Oh! I'm going to take some butter. Put me some butter on top. Y'all probably saying, girl, you already got bacon in there. You know, you fat off the bacon. So wait. I'm going to put the butter on here. That's what I'm going to do. Put this butter right on top. While it's hot. And let that melt.
Y'all, believe it or not, my husband sat there and ate almost that whole pan by himself.
I see them pieces of bacon in there. Ooh, honey. I'm going to let that melt. But in the meantime, between time, I'm going to go ahead and cut me a pea before this even all the way melt. Because I can't wait. I've done 3 videos today, y'all. And a sister is tired. So y'all going to see me in the next couple videos. Look at my dreads. $1 years ago from the Dollar Tree closing down sale. $1. Thank you, my sister-in-law. Okay, yes. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. share, turn that notification bell on. I'm going to keep saying that because that's what I need y'all to do. Help a sister out. I know some of these young folks going to be like, crackling cornbread, but baby, let me tell you something. My kids probably saying the same thing, my grown kids, but baby, bacon and anything taste good. Baby, you can put bacon in anything. Put it in a dessert. It's going to taste good. I'm going to go ahead and cut me a piece real quick because I'm just playing and I want to eat me a piece. Look at this skillet hot. Let me get me a plate. Look at that cornbread. Look at that bacon in there. Look at that. I'm going to tell you. I tell you, honey. I tell you. Y'all make y'all some cornbread and put y'all some bacon in there. Tell me how y'all like it. I ain't finna wait on this to cool down and then because I just want to try it. This is so good, y'all. This is so good. Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate everybody. My old subscribers, my new subscribers. Even if you just watched. Thank you. I appreciate it. Until that next video. Oh, don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you can watch me every Thursday at 10 a.m. and every Sunday when I upload new videos. Until that next one, I'll see you guys then. Enjoy.